Hey yo, what's up people, this is Rajesh Nair and you're watching The Real Men Show. Okay, I know you must be thinking that where did my long hair went, and some of you must be liking this new look. Let me know your views in the comment section below. Keeping things apart, I have something special to show you. We have received this box from YouTube and I haven't unboxed it yet, but many of you have already figured it out what's inside. This reward belongs to you more than to me, so let's unbox it. We thank each and everyone for showing your love and support for the channel. This could not have been possible without you guys and the two girls who watch our video. Stay with us and we will never disappoint you. And if you haven't joined our journey yet, all you have to do is to press that red angry subscribe button right below this video to be part of our family, and also press that bell icon so that you never miss an update from The Real Men Show. Thank you once again everyone. Let's aim for a bigger reward. Tab tak ke liye, take care. Namaste.
I can't